All you have to do is to play something on 20 Chinese Bluetooth speakers. It's not very hard. But be careful. Oh boy, I better be prepared. First of all, I will open the Bluetooth section of my phone settings app. Now, I'll power all these speakers up.
The Bluetooth is ready to pair.
Next up, with the power of fiction, I'll pair all 20 of them up.
The Bluetooth device successfully.
And now, I'll play some great music on these 20 Chinese Bluetooth speakers at once, in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I think I am about to think these of me. To your best. Please be advised that connecting any device to the television via the HDMI ports will cause the entire hotel system to crash. Therefore we must ask that you only use Chromecast built into cast from your device and do not connect any other device throughout your stay. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause and thank you for your cooperation. What in the world? How come plugging in a single cable into a television would crash the entire hotel? Never mind, I am plugging the cable in anyway. Wait, what? Self-destruct initiated. No, it's the end of the world, as we know it.